Looking for a wheelchair-accessible van that delivers comfort, reliability, and everyday convenience? Take a look at this 2016 Honda Odyssey EXL, featuring a trusted BraunAbility side entry conversion with an automatic fold-out ramp and kneeling system. With only 70,100 miles, this Odyssey combines Honda's legendary dependability with premium features designed to make mobility easier. The automatic fold-out ramp measures 55.5 inches long by 30 inches wide, giving you easy access for most wheelchairs and power chairs. The door opening measures 52 inches high by 28.5 inches wide, making entry and exit smooth and convenient. Inside, you'll find a clean and comfortable tan leather interior, paired with a beautiful white exterior for a refined look. This van also includes a driver's side turnout seat, making transfers easier for drivers who need extra assistance getting in and out of the vehicle. And with the added sunroof, the cabin feels bright, open, and comfortable for every drive. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine, this Honda Odyssey delivers smooth performance whether you're driving around town or heading out on the highway. So if you're looking for a dependable wheelchair-accessible van with premium comfort, BraunAbility accessibility, and driver-friendly transfer features, this 2016 Honda Odyssey EXL is a great option. Call Automobility store today and ask us about this 2016 Honda Odyssey EXL wheelchair accessible van. We offer nationwide shipping and delivery, and our mobility specialists are here to help you find the right mobility solution for your needs.